Right now, me a tick-tock, broke back, gold wine, get mad, boom boom, my money pull up in a dance. See, we see my beg me a chance. You don't know the real bad girl Sasique represent for OneKnockTV. You see me? Okay.
Sasique, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us, for those who don't know, who is Sasique?
Well, Sasique is a all-rounded artist. You don't know. Sasique is a dancehall artist. Deal with all different genres of music, not only dancehall alone. So you can just look out for anything from Sasique. Sometimes it depends on the type of rhythm that I got. So you don't know.
So tell us how you came up with that name, Sasique.
You know, I was using this name called Mystic first.
Okay.
And then the dancer break out with that name. So I just decided to change it because I said I don't really know if she registered for her name. So but just change it and decide I'm going to use Mystique. When I come up with Mystique, somebody tell me that you can't use Mystique or somebody on the radio name Mystique already, you have to change it. I say, alright, come up with Sassy. Somebody come again and say, Sassy. No, them say, you can't name Sassy. We have an artist girl named Sassy already, you have to go change it. Sit down and I say, God no, every name I come up with, somebody name it. So I got the studio, Higher Heights Records, and me and him sit down at the studio and him said to me, Sasique, here we go on. Well, not Sasique at that time, Mystic, here we go on. We have built a name. So when we build the name, nobody can come and say, them did name this and them did name that. So him say, alright, we're going to take off the T off of Mystique and the Sass off of Sassy. Put them together and we just get Sasique and we just run with it. So from then, I use Sasique.
Okay, good. So how long have you been doing music?
Well, I've been doing music like over a decade now, about 10, 11 years. But professionally, I think from 2008. Professional, like going to studio, recording and all of that from 2008.
But why music? You know, people decide doctor and all of that, so why music?
Alright, funniest thing about it, as I talk about doctor and all of that, when I was going to school, I wanted to be a teacher or a air hostess. Because growing up in a Christian home, you couldn't tell them, say, I want to be no artist and a dancer. They would have said, this a girl a crop or something. So, we have to just choose a profession, as in I chose teacher or a air hostess. But growing up listening to Lady Saw, Patra, and Stitchy, Beanie Man and Bounty and the man them, I just decided to say, yeah, what music I want to do because I love music. From a child, I just love music. Every song play, I just know it from start to finish. I just want to hear it one time and I say, you know, say music I go do. But I have to just have that in myself, by myself. I couldn't tell none of my family because I would get some cussing and all of that and thing. So I just decided when I finish school, I would just go straight to music, so that was it.
So when your family realized that you were choosing music as a career, how did they feel?
Well, majority of my family don't know. I guess my father know. My father know. He's okay with it. He no bash me or anything. He's okay with it. My cousins, like, couple of them know, and some of them will say, "Girl, go and do music and." Look how mommy used to, because I grew up with my grandma, and my grandma, she used to bring us to church and all of that. So them I say, you hear this song with the girl I sing? And she grew up in a church. And she grew up in a church. Mommy would have all a turn in her grave now and ray and te. But it's what I love, so I just do it, you know. Some of them, like some of my families, they alright with it, but some of them are, them want me to go baptize and turn Christian, so them want me to go do gospel and all of that. But maybe one day I just wake up mine and go to gospel.
Okay. So knowing that you're a female artist, and over the years, female artists have been getting a lot of bash and they aren't really being featured on rhythms and promotion. So what are some of the difficulties you as a female artist have faced?
Alright. I've faced difficulties as in it's hard to get on like a big producer rhythm and well, I'll just start the truth and do. It really hard for the female then because producers, engineers, gate man, all type of man who in the music industry. As them see you, is a touch them want to fire. Them not even would have said make them wait till like 3, 4, 6 months, and so when you and them start to work together and you develop a mutual feelings. As them see you, so them just tell us straight. I like you know say I like your voice, I want Ray, and that is not professional. You get what I say? And I really hate it, and that is one of the challenge, the biggest challenge females face in this music industry, and it's really not nice. Yeah, because if you don't want to say sleep with them or day with them don't want to do nothing for you. So this is why you don't find majority of females breaking out in the industry, and them are going say the female them have no talent. You have whole heap of talent out there. You have whole heap of talented female artists out there, but they, because of that reason, they're making it like female don't have any talent, right? Which is them are the fault.
Okay.
So that's it.
But like what you mentioned just a while ago, I read an article in the Star that Cornelius put out, was basically saying the same thing, that the producers are really the issue.
Right.
Like they want to be sleep with the artists and so forth.
Because come on, I've seen a lot of female artists with talent, and them not reach nowhere. Because if you not decide say you go sleep with a producer, you sleep with an engineer, there sleep with an artist, or sleep with a done to the gate man, left out the gate man, all the gate man want a piece too. All the gate man want a piece to the wine shop, all the music instrument them want a piece to the way the thing I go, but that's not the thing. And the next challenge is to get your song played on radio. In the dance, that's really a difficult challenge also, because you know that thing they go, so it's really difficult, and I think they should give females or artists with talent a chance. If them see a female or an artist where have a song where can make it, help them push it. You get me I say? And just try to break out, because females have family to feed, females have bills, females have all different type of things to take care of too.
So knowing that you have faced those difficulties and you have been successful thus far, what are some of the recommendations you would give to a female artist coming up?
Just be yourself, and if you love it, you just know say coming into this industry you have to mentally, physically, emotionally prepare. Because I tell you, I'm not going to cry. But yeah. So you have to emotionally and physically, mentally prepare, because I tell you, it's a hard road. It's not easy. People see you and they must see some big artists and see them with them things and them bad mind them and grudge them. Them not understand like sometimes the pain and the hurt where you feel and all of them something there. So them have to just be prepared, well prepared, and know say this you want. Make sure say you have your head on your body, because if you don't have your head on your body, you could as well turn dancehall matches around the world. And all of them something there, so you have to just make up your mind.
So knowing that you said earlier that you listen to a lot of songs, dancehall songs coming up, so what are some of the artists, both current and past, that you have looked up to?
Well, I've looked up to Shabba, Patra, and Lady Saw, look up to Lady Saw. And now, like, I look up to Bounty Killer and Movado. I love Cartel too. So, I just, Alkaline, I rate Alkaline, straight.
Yeah. So any of those artists you would like to do a feature with, or you have done features with?
Well, no, but I would love to do a feature with Alkaline.
Okay. Knowing dancehall has changed over the past decades, or probably 2 decades. What are your thoughts on it, on the whole diversification of dancehall now?
Well, them have a thing where them say like dancehall are dead. Dancehall now dead is like, to me, they're fighting dancehall more than it a did. If them did give it like a more strength than what them a give it now, I think it would be bigger, because up to now I don't see they really appreciate dancehall as how they're supposed to. And then now, when a next man from a next country take up the thing now and start run with it, them start to talk and say, oh, the man they gone with it and the man they gone with it. But you yourself, dancehall is originated from Jamaica and you not give it that strength there. So when you see somebody else from the next country take it up and run with it, you have to just make it stay, just allow it.
Yeah,
because
so true.
you not give it the strength where it's supposed to get. So how as when you see a next man take it and run with it, you want to have all type of things to say. So I just think dancehall could be bigger, could be better, but just the fight where it get. And there's a lot of artists doing well, and I look up to them also. And just want them to just go on with them thing and just go and big up dancers.